read for you.
Mr. Smith.
How do you know my name? I didn't give you my name.
I know you didn't.
reach for your gun. It don't work.
Mr. Smith.
I'm not reaching for mine.
I know
reach
you're not.
Reach for yours.
Mr. Smith.
Reach for your
Grab
gun.
that by the strap and put it down, please.
Camera on? I don't see no red
It's
light.
on.
Sure.
Mr. Smith, do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Bay County. I'm on Edith. No, is this Edith Height? Nope.
It is not.
This is Carolina. Subdivision.
Okay. Can I take that off of you?
Huh?
Can I take that by the strap and get it off of you?
You worried about it? You got a gun. You got two of them.
I know. You got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine? So why you want just one?
Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't. No fear,
Bay, I
man.
got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop it. I need code 3 now. I got shots fired.
Beta 445. 151 code 3 from the office.
Bay, shots fired. One subject down.
831. We have his location.
Weber and 231.
Code 3.
Back up. Back up.
471 same traffic. 25 Bay, copper. Weber and 231.
That's different.
And 470 route code 3 from Penny and 231. 40's en route. 6-8 Bay, if we haven't already, fire EMS around to
Mr. Smith.
him.